points.
Wait, watch me handle the taxi.
I don't even know. Oh my God, that's really wrong.
That's the bitch.
That is bad. So wrong.
Snowplow. Watch out for the snowplow.
Snowplow 2010. Like, sorry about this.
The snowplow is coming to get me.
This lady is stealing our taxi.
She stole it.
I'm honestly offended. Like,
and now,
this is America, and you must, like, everyone has equal rights.
America must hail
the taxi. AAA. Hail to AAA.
You have to bow to AAA. Like that.
I don't think
like that.
so.
Like,
I'm not bowing. Who is this? Who is this? Hello? Steve? Hey! Oh my God, hey! Hey! Yo! Get in there. Get in there.
What?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Depends where you're going.
We're going
to 12th and Pine. It's right there. Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. Thank you. Holy shiza. Go.
Some people may go to the neighborhood.
Oh, we're paying with a credit card. Is that okay?
Alright.
Damn, man. Like,
We thought that you were going to deny us.
this is honestly,
And then we were going to be upset.
like, we are
And,
a little bit. So what's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
My name Johnny.
Do you like Cash Cab?
Yeah.
Oh my God, we love Cash
Yo,
Cab.
I
Do
seriously
you know any questions for the Cash Cab?
Yeah.
I like cash.
He likes cash, not the Cash Cab.
Do you know Cash Cab?
Cash cab, what's me, cash cab?
There's a show, man, from New York City.
And they have like trivia questions.
And you get inside this cab, and then they ask you trivia questions, and you win money. So I was wondering, do you have a question for us?
I want a car. I don't want a plastic.
He just likes money.
But you don't play?
He doesn't play the real thing.
And what's your name?
Johnny.
Johnny? Good night.